for the invocation song was presented by Sangrita, Aditi, Akshatra, Rutuja and Shravan. Thank you very much. Now the moment for inauguration of the symposium has arrived. As we believe in three cardinal Vedic statements, Asatoma Sadagamaya, lead us from untruth to truth. Mrutoma Amrutam Gamaya, from mortality lead us to immortality. And the third and most important for those who worship knowledge in the field of education and research, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, the tamas is of ignorance. So appropriate to the occasion, I request the dignitaries to assemble near the traditional Indian lamp, which would be lighted in the august hands of our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Nandkumar, to inaugurate the symposium, and other dignitaries are requested to please join me. Thank you very much. I request the dignitaries to take back their chairs. Now for the formal welcome of the dignitaries and you esteemed delegates who have travelled hundreds and thousands of kilometers to reach Goa, I invite our organizing secretary and head of Department of Botany, a well-known mycologist and mycorrhizologist, Professor D. Rodrigues. He is also nationally known as an award-winning philatelist. Professor Rodrigues, please.
Thank you, Dr. Kamal. Respected Vice Chancellor, sir, Chief Guest of this inaugural function, Dr. C.D. Mai, former Agriculture Chairman, Scientist Recruitment Board, Vice President of Indian Society of Plant Pathologists, Dr. P.S. Sekon, Secretary of the Indian Society of Plant Pathologists, Dr. G.S. Ratan, Organizing Secretary, Professor S. Krishnan, invited speakers, deans of the faculties, heads of different departments, faculty members, delegates, colleagues, press and media, and my dear young friends. Well, the Department of Botany has just completed its Silver Jubilee, recalls its deep cultural and intellectual roots in the sustainable traditions of Goa, a state which respects nature and has rich traditional knowledge of lower and higher plants. Goa being endowed with the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, a humid tropical monsoon climate and diverse landscapes gradually became nature's own tropical botanical garden over a period of time due to ecological and historical developments. The Portuguese colonial rulers introduced around 300 exotic plant species which subsequently spread to other parts of India and the Indian subcontinent. Although the contributions of Garcia de Horta, Delgado and few others have been immense, systematic studies of botany were neglected in the early part of the 20th century. Opportunities for postgraduate education and research in botany at the Goa University commenced only after the Department of Botany came into existence in June 1990. Making a modest and humble beginning, Department of Botany has transformed itself over a period of last 26 years and has created a strong base in teaching and research in various areas of botany. The thrust areas of research include plant and fungal biodiversity systematics and documentation, ecology, conservation and utilization, mycorrhizae, restoration ecology of mine lands, molecular stress physiology of crop plants for enhanced productivity, plant tissue culture, rice biology and histochemistry, actinobacteriology, fungal bioprospecting, mushroom cultivation and vine technology. The department has excellent herbaria of higher plants, algae, bryophytes and fungi, polyhouses and a botanical garden for ex situ conservation of plants of the Western Ghats region. Being supported by UGC SAP DLS3, DSC FISH Level 1B and grants received through various sponsored projects, the department has set up a state-of-the-art infrastructure facility for basic and applied research. The Goa University fungus culture collection as of date has about 300 species of pure cultures of interesting, rare, new and common macro and microfungi and is isolated from litter, flowers, fruits, endophytes and soil habitats of Western Ghats forest and West Coast region. The faculty of the department has contributed handsomely to social and industrial outreach programs over past 26 years. Goa University signed a memorandum of agreement with the International Rice Research Institute, Philippines, to work on rice strain improvement in the Department of Botany. The Planning Commission, Government of Goa supported a 7-year-long project to map the economically useful plant and fungal biodiversity of the Western Ghats regions of Goa.